Hi, so I'm going to quickly take you through my introduction to videos for upper and lower body power lifts. So first, I'm going to talk you through the power clean. So first, let me show you that. I'll show you one of my reps. Oh, whoops, sorry. So first, let me talk you through the starting position. So I am shoulder width apart stance, and my hands are outside of my knees in a closed hook grip, and my erector spinae is in line, and my eyes are forward, and my weight is back on my heels. So I am going to lift the bar, moving my knees out of the way, keeping that bar path as close to my body as possible. And then I will go to my hip extension, using that voodoo that Dr. B talks about, and rotating my elbows around, catching it in my anterior delts and clavicle, and standing completely up, and then dropping back down, and then I'll just repeat the process over and over again. So that is the power clean. So the push press is the second thing that I chose. So first let me show you the movements. Okay, so that is one. So going back to the very beginning. So first I go underneath the bar, hip width apart, making sure that my legs are underneath my hips and my hands are slightly outside of my shoulders. And I will take 2 steps back in that front rack position, kind of like in the same position I would do a front squat. I then move my feet to shoulder width apart, and my hands are still outside my shoulders. A lot of people forget that, and originally they sometimes do a clean grip, but going outside your shoulders lowers that range of motion, or lessens that range of motion, and you can lift more weight. So anyways, going back, I slightly bend at the knees and use that momentum to drive that bar over my head, but making sure to keep my back as straight as possible, squeezing my core or out of my erector spinae, not erector spinae, rectus abdominis, and then a lot of people, when the weight gets heavy, they arch their back a lot, which hurts their lower lumbar, which is really bad. And they do not move their head out of the way, which hurts their chin. So you want to prevent that from happening. So that's why it's important to move your head out of the way, and then full extension at the top, and lowering it back down. So that is the push press. And also back to the power clean, I forgot to mention, a lot of people in this position, starting position, when they first do that initial pull, it's making sure their hips do not rise before their shoulders, because then that puts stress on the lower lumbar and you hurt your back. And so that's why it's important to have your shoulders and hips rise at the same time. Okay, going next. General warm-up. I don't know if you want me to put this or not, but so I just put it just in case. I did a 5-minute warm-up, a dynamic warm-up, and a barbell warm-up. Yeah. I don't want to run out of time. So move forward. Power cleans. So for sports that can utilize this is football, volleyball, rowing, and sprinting. Pretty much they can use it because power cleans utilize the entire body, all major muscle groups, and emphasize power. And there's been studies that have shown that it has correlated with better vertical jumping, so that's why football and volleyball utilize it a lot. And just overall power can help recruit fast motor units, so that's why sprinters can utilize it along with rowers, just overall maximizing power. And same thing for the push press. These sports can utilize this because, again, major muscle groups, but also utilizes hip and leg drive in recruiting fast twitch muscles. So that can help with football and volleyball, and rowing and sprinting, because it radiates from the lower body to the upper body, building both lower and upper body strength that all these sports needs. And these are my references. So thank you for listening.